Again. Try it again. Try it again. It's raining again. It's raining again. All. It's all white. It's all white. We all like cycling. We all like cycling. All are present. All are present. Any. Come again anytime. Come again anytime. Is there any danger? Is there any danger? Ask. Why do you ask? Why do you ask? May I ask a question? May I ask a question? B. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. He must be tired. He must be tired. Each. We know each other. We know each other. Each one is different. Each one is different. Few. Few people think so. Few people think so. She has few friends. She has few friends. For. Fry an egg for me. Fry an egg for me. This is not for sale. This is not for sale. Got. I got my mobile. I got my mobile. She got angry. She got angry. Kind. He is very kind. He is very kind. I have two kinds of seeds. I have two kinds of seeds. Little. I am a little hungry. I am a little hungry. We had a little water. We had a little water. Must. I must buy one. I must buy one. You must go. You must go. New. This is a new book. This is a new book. No. I have no money. I have no money. I have no friends. I have no friends. Now. Akash will come now. Akash will come now. On. The pen is on the desk. The pen is on the desk. Our. This is our car. This is our car. Put. May I put it here? May I put it here? Don't put it on my desk. Don't put it on my desk. Said. John said to me. John said to me. Saw. He saw me. He saw me. So. You look so pale. You look so pale. I am so happy. I am so happy. Soon. Tom will come soon. Tom will come soon. Such. Why did he do such a thing? Why did he do such a thing? Tell. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. That. That is my book. That is my book. He said that. He said that. There. I like their pictures. I like their pictures. It is their car. It is their car. They. Are they friends? Are they friends? They hated Tom. They hated Tom. 2. She is too smart. She is too smart. He will go to. He will go to. Try. Try it once more. Try it once more. Try it out yourself. Try it out yourself. Want. What do you want? What do you want? I want a guitar. I want a guitar. Was. Was I wrong? Was I wrong? He was at home. He was at home. Well. I can sing well. I can sing well. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Went. She went inside. She went inside. He seldom went there. He seldom went there. What? What did he say? What did he say? What time is it? What time is it? Where? Where are you? Where are you? Where do you live? Where do you live? Who? Who broke this? Who broke this? Who stole the apple? Who stole the apple? Why? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? With. I agree with you. I agree with you. Come with me. Come with me. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.